Yes, sir.
Right. What's your name, please?
Hi, good evening. My name is Neil John Durman.
Patay bitay na. So always answer in 3 or more sentences. Tanang answers nimo
Um,
related ra sa question.
Kasi,
What's your name? Who gave you your name? Does your name have a special meaning? How do your friends call you? How do your family call you? Ana ba?
hmm,
So kung nilang to kag video speaking, akong ipang send ana.
yan, sir,
Kabalo
so,
na ta
sir,
ka.
busy jud tayo.
Sige, start again.
Yeah.
Can I have your name, please?
Hi, sir. Good morning. My name is Neil John Durman. My name is I was given by my and by the way, actually my name is Saint Michael, but they have chosen to um call me as Neil John Durman.
Okay, and where are you from?
Um, I'm currently living here in Davao City, and it's actually subdivision area here in Davao. Um, it's actually located in the north.
Okay. And what do you do?
I am a customer service representative for over 7 years, and I help customers to resolve their concerns and also to troubleshoots what their problems and provide resolution no later than on time.
All right. Let's move on to part 1 of our speak and test. First, let's talk about technology. What technology do you often use? Computers or cell phones?
I usually use mobile phones, and I often use also a laptop when I since I am a virtual assistant, I use laptop oftentimes. But most of the time I use my phone.
Okay. What electronic devices have you bought lately?
Um, it's kind of rewarding that as a virtual assistant I need laptop and monitor. So I just bought it last month, and yeah, I am very happy because it's kind of fulfilling to me since my salary. This is actually the uh, fruit of labor of my salary.
Okay. Is there any technology you want to buy?
Yeah, I aspire to have um a scooter.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's considered as technology, but yeah,
Mm-hmm.
since it is I mean it's very convenient, especially here in Davao. It's kind the traffic is um very not good, but when I have scooter, I guess maybe I can send myself easily wherever I go in the city.
Okay, the traffic is congested.
I sorry.
All
Yes.
right. Is there any technology you don't like?
Personally, I none so far. Personally, none so far. Yeah, I maybe I use most of the technologies, and those are beneficial to me, like cell phones, laptop, and so and etc.
Okay, all right. Let's move on and talk about your favorite book. What's your favorite book of all time?
Well, I am not very a book reader, but I usually use Bibles, the New Testament, because it's kind of um open me to a spiritual world.
Okay, what's the first book you remember reading?
Um, the first Psalms 33:1, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Just to remind me that I have God with me wherever I go.
So, the
Mm,
Bible.
yeah.
Okay. Have you read a book more than once?
Yes, I did. When I was in elementary and high school, there are a lot of books to read at different contexts of books and different subjects as well.
Okay. So how do you choose what books you want to read?
Um, Maybe I will see the title first before um choosing the book that I want to read, because the title says it all. It's something gives you a glimpse of what the context looks like.
Okay, that's cool. Let's move on and talk about books. Do you prefer to read books or magazines?
Personally, I used to read magazines than books, because magazine is a very give the magazine will give you a factual evidence and timely news what happened to your surroundings. And yeah, it's kind of good because you're up to date.
Okay, that's cool. Did your parents read to you when you were a child?
Yes. Um, the story that my parents was usually read me is about Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. All right. Would you give a book as a gift?
Yes, I have a lot of friends that are very um fan of books. Like they are very what do you call by this? They're very they're very
They're bookworms.
yeah, the bookworms. They're into books.
Okay. All right. Let's move on to part two of our speak and test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes if you like.
Uh,
After 1 minute, I will not be sharing the screen anymore. Okay.
okay.
All right. Okay. This will be your topic. Okay. Your 1 minute starts now.
Anong gagawin diyan, sir?
Nade, si ano pa? Nag-speaking actas kami. Si Neil pa muna.
Ay, okay.
Dapat po ako. Meron ako.
All right. Your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. And you can start.
Okay. The book that I am very enjoying to read about is it's all about the breadwinner. So when we say breadwinner, it is the one who handled the responsibility within one shelter. And the book um it is about more about sacrifices. It is a young boy dreaming high, but um but due to poverty and financial crisis, um, he needs to stop his schooling. He needs to sacrifice his time just to focus on working than studying because he has sister. And
Mhm.
why I read it because personally I am a breadwinner myself and I can relate to that situation, and I can also be more inspired from this story because it because I also have many complaints in life, but when I read the book, it gives me or enlighten me that there's so much more to be grateful, and there's a lot of person who struggle a lot than you. But yeah, it's in conclusion, it taught me how to be grateful and how to be juggle about responsibility and taking care of yourself.
Okay. All right. That's cool. That's cool. Just some follow-up questions here. Do people in your country like to read books?
Yes, here in the Philippines, there are a lot of bookworm. They love spending their time, especially teenagers. They love reading packet books.
Okay. What are the most popular types of books?
I guess in all books, the most popular type of books is the Bible because in any religion, this book is present wherever you are, and yeah, it's Bible.
Okay. Do you think it's important for people to read books?
Yes, it is very important for people to read books because our knowledge is not enough without depending on the information about books. Because books, there are a lot of informations that we didn't know yet. But when we read books, it is possible, what you read is you can apply this to a real life situation, and it can be beneficial when you read books.
Okay, that's good. All right, good job. That's the end of our speaking test. So, okay man is po imong speaking. Most likely, naatos mga 6. May ana,
Oh, sir.
6.0. Bali po, daghan kay kang mga aaam.
Gani ang
Ah,
feeler, sir.
aaam. Na ha, so likay-likay anang maaam nimo. Alright? Pero so far, okay ra to siya. Natos mga 6. Natos mga 6.0. So, practice pa ka.
Practice ba gani, sir? Kay
Alright?
marag, akong ginawa na, sir, ba? Unsay method di ay, unsa di ay, nakuan.
So,
Marag
nato
dara
ra
ko
gyud ang
na,
speaking test. Moro gyud siya speaking test ha. Mo to siya nga flow sa speaking test. Yang mga
ah,
questions sa speaking test, balik-balikon na po na nila. So possible kung unsay na praktisan nimo, possible po na siyang mo po na makuha nimo sa actual. Okay?
um,
Sige. Next, Jake.
Sir.
Jake.
Hello.
Sige.
Yeah.
Ikaw naman, on mo camera mo.
Ay,
Speaking test to, speaking
ka-
test.
kakauwi ko lang kasi.
Sige, ready ka na.
Hindi, sir. Ano nga ba yun? Ano ba
Speaking.
gagawin?
Speaking
Okay,
test.
sir. Ano pong
Speaking
topic?
test to. Speaking test, walang topic. Maghintay ka sa topic. Speaking test yan eh.
Ay, sorry.
Di ba? Speaking test nga eh.
Sige
Oh.
po.
Hindi sasabihin sa'yo kung ano yung topic sa speaking ha. So, alright. Let's start. What's your name, please?
My name is Jake Kagalingan, sir.
Okay, naka-speaking test ka ba dati?
This is my first time, sir.
So, again, sa speaking test, always answer in 3 or more sentences sa question sa part 1 tsaka sa part 3.
Okay, sir.
So, tell me your name. Who gave you your name? Does your name have a special meaning? How do your friends call you? How do your family call you? Ganyan dapat, ha? So, 3 or
Okay,
more
sir.
sentences. Again, what's your name, please?
Yes, sir. My name is Jake Kagalingan. Wala akong maisip. Ano
Practice
ba
ka na.
maganda, sir? Oo nga.
Tagal-tagal mo na nag-review eh. Hindi ka pa
Sa
nanonood.
parang,
Ang daming videos ko nang pinagsisend ng mga speaking. Dati pa.
oo nga sir,
Wala kang
hindi ko na
napanood?
kabisado.
Patay tayo dyan.
Kuyari.
Ilang videos na yung mga nasend ko ng speaking test nung una pa. Ang dami
Oo
na
nga
nun.
sir, yung
Mayayari
practice
tayo.
wala.
Magte-take ka ba ng test o hindi?
Baka ano sir, bago mag-December target namin.
Tagal pa.
Tagal pa sir.
Panoorin nyo,
Ipon pa mahal eh.
panoorin nyo yung mga videos na sinend ko. Si Neil kasi malapit na sa 18 to sila Neil eh.
Ah,
Sige. Where are you from?
ah, sir, I'm from the Philippines, from a province of Rizal, town of Taytay.
Tapos sabi mo kung ano yung famous sa city nyo. Ano yung mga
Okay.
delicacies. Ano yung mga trabaho dyan.
Hindi may
Sige,
dagdag
continue.
ano sir. Oh,
3 or more sentences.
yes, 3 1 so compound din. So first, I came from the Philippines. Philippines is famous for its island, okay, and I came from the province of Rizal, town of Taytay. Most of the dishes in our town is related on leftover foods. We call it like fried rice and budbud.
Okay, and what do you do?
So as of now, sir, I'm doing like what do you call this, merchandise. It also involves butchering and cutting meat and also slaughtering.
Okay, let's move on to part 1 of our speaking test. First, let's talk about TV programs. What
TV.
kind of TV programs do you like?
So most of the programs that I watch is most of them I think I like the historical ones, especially like war scenes, okay, strategy, something like that. And have you heard about the Korean history? As of now, that is the one I am watching.
Okay, right. Do you often watch programs on TV or on your smartphone?
Well, as of now, maybe from what do you call this? Mga bata. Anong
Mhm.
English nun, sir? Yung dati pa.
Anong dati pa?
Baga, back on the days, I used to watch it on TV or in
Mhm.
computers, but as of now, I think the most comfortable way of watching is via phone.
Okay, okay.
Because on the phone, we also have their Netflix, like some applications that are free. So, and also it is a portable device. You can take it anywhere.
Okay. Do you like watching the same kind of TV programs all the time?
I think as of now, yes. Uh, as of now, my favorite team is on like wars and strategy, but not the modern wars. I like the ancient ones.
Okay. Do you think do you talk with your friends about TV programs that you watch?
Some of my friends also like that kind of genre, okay, but most of my friends like, let's say, comedies and vloggers. But as for me, I do like to watch historical figures and ancient times.
Okay, that's cool. Let's move on and talk about television and radio. What kind of
Okay.
entertainment do you prefer, TV or radio?
Maybe it depends upon the well, I do the driving. Okay, so from here and now I do drive. So when I'm driving, I like to listen to radio. Okay, so my genre is na not specified. I think I like rock and I also like rap.
Mhm.
And when I go to a stopover or a rest stop, and then I do watch it from my phone.
All right, that's cool. How are radio programs and television programs different?
Uh, Different. Well, first, as for me, the genre that I watch is not on English and not in Tagalog. So they are more of like Koreans or Japanese. So there is a subtitle. So you need to focus. if you want to watch, you need to put on, let's say, some some or more attention to it because you are also reading. Versus the radio, you can just listen and focus on driving. So you have more, let's say, more things to do. You just listen.
Okay. So do you prefer TV news or news on the radio?
I think when it comes to news, I most likely to watch it on TV than to hear it on the radio. Because on the radio, you cannot picture things or you cannot see what actually happened. So I prefer watching it on TV.
Okay, that's cool. Let's move on and talk about health. Do you
Health.
live a
Okay.
healthy lifestyle?
No, that's a big no.
Mhm.
Well, I do smoking. Okay. So I also eat more of like pork. Uh, I do like the fats, the fatty foods. Okay. More on like frying and chicken. When it comes to healthy foods like vegetable, I also eat them, but not the way I used to eat pork.
Okay, okay. What do you do to keep fit?
To keep fit, well, as of now, I do not have the time, so I don't do anything. But I'm planning to condition myself, do some joggings, do some exercise. But as of now, I do not have the time, but I am planning on doing it.
Okay, okay. Is fitness or healthy diet more important to you?
As of now, it is also no. The more the more important thing to me is to graduate from this class, focus on studying, and take the exam. And then after the exam, maybe there I can do a little more of like healthy living.
All right. That's the end of our speaking part 1. Let's move on to part 2 of our speaking test.
Part two.
I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes if you like. After one
Okay.
minute, I will not be sharing the screen anymore, and then you would need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? So this will be your
Okay, sir.
topic.
Topic.
There you go.
Describe
Your 1 minute starts
something
now.
healthy. Okay, sir.
All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore.
Yes, sir.
Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk, and you can
Two
start.
minutes to talk. Okay. So, hi, sir. My topic is about healthy living or healthy things that I like to do. So I think I will consider it as a, what do you call this? Cooking. I do like to cook for myself. So mostly fish and vegetables. Okay. So back in the days when I was young, I do like to cook fried foods like chicken, pork. But nowadays, I would prefer eating vegetables. Maybe that is true when you grow up or you're getting old. You do like to eat more vegetables and fish than pork. So I also do a bit of exercise, mostly biking. and jogging. So where do I do it? I do it most of the time here in our hometown. I do a round trip on our town, and also we do have a sports complex that is new. I do there most of the jogging. So most of the jogging I can do it in the morning, like 6 to 7 before I go to work. And after jogging, I rode on my motorcycle and then I go home and then I do prepare for work. So I mostly do it alone. So when you're alone, I think you are more focused on doing the things. And also I do prefer to have a music. So I put on my headset and do the jogging. So most of the time, first, I rode to the complex and then there where I do my jogging. But if I'm doing, let's say biking, from my house, I will put a timer on myself. Let's say, I'm targeting like just for 1 hour, and then I rode on my whole town. So from here, and we also do call it to the highway and then the main town. So most of the time, it will only take me 2 minutes to do a round trip. So I make another one. So to make two. Okay.
All right, that's good. That's good. Let's move on to part 3 of our speaking test.
Part
How
three.
can people improve their health?
Part, uh, improve health. Okay. So to improve health. Okay. So as for our Filipino friends or maybe on our also culture, to improve health, I think it will focus mostly on diet because like in other countries, we eat rice 3 times a day for normal people. When some of the people make it 5 times a day. Well,
Okay.
even what we call merienda, we also eat rice. So most of for me, I think the one of the steps that we can proceed is first diet, okay, and a little bit of exercise. Okay,
Okay.
then
So, what
exercise
are
and then
some
enough sleep.
popular ways to keep fit in your country?
Popular ways. I think that is bike and jogging because when you watch on social media, most of the people are doing jogging, okay, and bicycling. You can also hit the gym, but I think that will consume your time and money. But when you do jogging, there are places that is free that you can jog and also you can bike.
Okay. All right. That's good. Do you think there will be more or less illness in the future?
I think there will be more for sure. No, like the pandemic, that is an unknown virus, but it struck us globally. Oh, oh, and also, I think there are more risks on the future than today. That is just my preference.
Okay.
What
All
are
right.
you thinking?
All right. That's good. That's good. That's the end of our speaking test. All right.
Ay,
Maayos naman yung
salamat,
speaking
sir.
test mo. Ganong speaking test, pwede ka na rin maka 6.0 doon.
Ay, salamat.
Oo. Practice lang
Nabigla
ha.
ako doon, sir.
Practice lang, lalo na yung sa reading. Okay, reading. Practice kayo ng reading. Okay, Neil?
Yes, sir.
Practice pa ng reading ha, reading.
Arida
Importante
sa
yung
reading.
reading. Practice ka
Sa
ng reading
writing,
kasi
sir. Nag-writing na ba to, sir?
yung writing na mock test hindi pa.
Okay.
Pero hindi nyo
Oh,
pa ginagawa yung yung binigay ko sa yung mock test.
wala
Basic
pa
lang po, sir.
assignment.
Sige
Wala
lang,
pa,
sir.
'di ba? So ito, bibigyan ko na lang kayo ng mock test ng writing. Pag gumawa kayo nito, dapat may timer.
Okay.
Kasi 1 hour lang ang writing. 1 hour lang ang writing. So dapat pag tinapos nyo to, 1 hour lang talaga. Writing task 1 tsaka writing task 2, 1 hour lang silang dalawa. 20 minutes task 1, 40 minutes task 2. Okay? Yan yung writing task 2. Sinend ko na. Kasi hindi rin
May
makaka-attend yung
minimum
iba.
yun, sir.
Anong minimum?
Parang mga minimum words, gano'n.
O, diniscuss ko na yan eh. Panoorin mo yung discussion.
Absent ata ako nun.
Ah,
Yun
panoorin mo
ata
yung
yung pangalawa,
discussion.
sir. Yung bago ata to, wala ako.
Pero yung una, nandun din yun.
Oh,
Ha?
alin
Panoorin mo yung mga videos ha.
Sige, sir.
Writing, mock test. 1 hour. 1 hour only. Okay ka na dyan ha. So, 40 minutes. Task 2. Tapos, 20 minutes. Task 1. Okay? O, timer kayo niyan ha. O, so gawin nyo lang yung mga homework. Nandiyan na yan sa group chat lagi. Nandiyan na sa group chat lahat. Ha? So,
Apo,
Neil,
sir.
nakabook na kanila pa.
Mag-book pa ko, sir. Kaya nag-leave naman ko down sa akong work.
Nag-leave na ka. O, so, pag-book na.
Nag-leave na ko. Oo.
Pag-book na
Mag-book
daan.
ako.
Yung gamay niya itong mga homework dito sa kuhan ha. Sa
Oo,
group
sir.
chat. Okay? O, gawin nyo yung mga homework
Yan.
sa group chat. Okay?
Wala si
Sige,
ate.
sige.
Wala
So,
pa.
wala na yun sa ano. Si Lalaine. Message nyo lang ako pag nakabook na kayo. Okay?
Sir.
Sige,
Thank you,
sige.
sir.
Good luck, good luck. Sige, bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, sige, bye-bye, bye-bye. Okay.
Thank you, sir.